Hello and welcome to the Busybug Homestead. So today I'm just going to do a little update on our seedlings that we've been starting in videos. So let's just start here with this first tray. It's not going to go in order of video because I kind of just laid everything out on the table. So this first tray here, this is all of our cabbage. And I thinned these out. There were several that came up in each. Even this section, the Red Express, that said that they had poor germination, came up beautifully. I had no empty cells and most of them had multiple. So that was great. So that is a look at our cabbage seedlings here. They're getting a little leggy, not all of them, but these I'm only going to let them get a couple of true leaves and then they're going out under my row covers. They're not going to be in here very long at all. And then up next is one that was not in a video, but I do have them, so I thought I'd show you. I have amazing cauliflower going here. And then over here I have the purple of Sicily cauliflower. Right here in these rows. And then over here I have my broccoli started. This tray is our carnations. We had spotty germination, which is fine. I expected that, but I got a lot. So I'm pretty happy with what we did end up with. They're starting to put on some true leaves, which is nice. I got a couple have doubles, so I'm going to try and fill in these gaps where I had extras left over. But this one is our Aurora tray here. And then I have the La France tray here. I'm not really sure what's going on with this white stuff on top. I'm going to have to try and figure out what that's all about and clean it up a little bit. But they also are putting on true leaves. So I'm pretty happy with what's going on in this tray because I want to have a lot of those beautiful carnations. So I started some celery over here. I thinned some of it out. My 5-year-old helped me, so they are seeded a little bit thicker than I would have liked, but that's fine. They all came up beautifully. I have the Utah green celery. I'll pop a picture of it. I don't remember exactly what it's called. And the pink Chinese celery. We had the pink Chinese last year, and it was fantastic for my stocks. I actually have a bag still frozen in the freezer that I toss into soups and stuff. And then over here, also, I don't believe it was in a video, is the limoncello lemon balm. I got the seeds from Baker's Creek, and I grew lemon balm for the first time last year from nursery starts, and I really enjoyed it, so I wanted to get some more, but they are teeny tiny. I don't even know if I can zoom in on that. Teeny tiny little guys, and they're already putting on true leaves, so that's great. All right, here, our eucalyptus. We did the eucalyptus in the video with the carnations, I believe. I got a couple. They did not have great germination. I believe I only ended up with 6 cells. And I don't even know if I would count this one because he's kind of not doing very well. But they're putting on true leaves, the ones that I do have, and yeah, they're looking good. They're looking okay. Pansies, the Black King pansies, are coming up also. I have some cells missing, but that's fine. I've got doubles and other cells. I'm cool with that. Back here in this row, I have our sea of onions. So after the video, I don't believe I had this part in the video, I potted up or I seeded some more in this container. This container is broken on the bottom, so it works exactly like this one we did in the video. But I added some more of pretty much every variety that I had into this bucket. Here are the ones that we did in the video. Now this side was Walla Walla in the video. The Walla Walla did not germinate at all, so I popped some more leeks in there. So these are not the same as in the video. I did put some more leeks in because that's something I'm interested in growing a lot more of. So the Walla Walla were old seed packet from last year. They just did not perform. And then over here is the rest of our onions. Doing really well. And probably my favorite tray out of all of them are eggplants and our jalapenos. They are doing beautifully. We have our green jalapenos and our pumpkin spice jalapenos. All of them germinated at 100%. My long purple eggplants all germinated at 100%. And then the rest of this tray is the Black Beauty eggplant. And it's just been fantastic. I had one cell not come up, so I popped one of the other ones in from ones that came up double. And it's just doing fine. It rebounded perfectly. But they're just such beautiful plants. I love seed starting. It's so exciting to see what can come out of such a tiny little seed. I love it. All right, so that is going to be our update on these seedlings. and I'm very excited with where we're at so far. I will be bringing you back for our next update. And also when I go to put the cabbage and the other brassicas outside, because they are not going to be in this room very long. They are destined to go under row covers outside, which last year I had pretty decent success with. So I'm going to be redoing that this year. And as you can see in our shelves over there, we have some videos coming up this week on some more stuff I see started that are under the domes over there. All right, so thank you so much for popping in to see the update on these seedlings, and we will see you next time. Bye.